Hello everyone, welcome back up to our channel.
Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to cover how to save money on product and services.
More saving tips. In our channel, normally we talk about our journey. We try to document our journey to achieve FIRE in Sydney, Australia with two young kids, year 5 and 6. So normally we talk about our tips and tricks for budgeting, saving, investing, side hustle.
If you guys like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, comment, as well as thumbs up. That would be muchly appreciated.
Thank you.
So the first one would be make extra repayment on your home loan if you do have a home loan.
Yeah.
There is this, I guess, misinformation, I guess. Some people say, no, you don't pay your home loan. You gotta do interest only, or why would you want to pay it off as quickly as possible?
Because the house appreciates in value.
Yeah, you're paying money that is not going anywhere.
Yeah. That's when we were younger, right? Like everyone talk about that. But now
Leverage.
we change our mindset. Pay it off as soon as possible. Get rid of the bank repayment or interest, because the longer you drag, the higher interest you're going to pay.
Mm-hmm.
And it is stopping you for
building wealth any other way.
Yes, correct.
So, why would you want to give your money to the bank if you can keep it to yourself and earn interest, let's say?
Yeah.
That took a while for us to actually
realize. I still remember the first time. Remember when we went to a couple place, we trying to buy a bag of secondhand baby clothes for our firstborn.
Yep.
And then the couple said,
place.
yeah, it's a nice place. They just sold it, and they're going to upgrade to a bigger house. And they said they paid off their home mortgage in 10 years.
Yeah.
We were like, are you guys crazy?
You're crazy. Why would you pay it off?
Yeah, why did you pay it off? Why wouldn't you use the money all the time to buy more investment and leverage it to
buy more investment, to do other things?
Yeah, put a lot of debt on yourself and you can never quit your job. Why don't you do that? So that was in our head, thinking, nah, we'll just pay the minimum, pay the interest only. That was our strategy back then. But then now we realize, no, we were wrong.
We were wrong, and they were right.
Yeah, we were wrong. And now looking at them, 10 years, you paid off. I think that time is at least $1 million for the house.
Yeah, something like
around that. 10 years, a couple. Anyway, pay off because you'll pay less interest. Simple.
Less repayment to deal with. We did made a payment on one of our investment property.
Yep.
And to be honest, after paying that off, would you go back?
No. Like that's why I think our strategy changed dramatically. At first we try to leverage, use other people money to make more money, but circumstances change and stress level going higher, blood pressure going higher. So
the risks involved, I'm like, okay, now we have children to take care of. We have to be really, really responsible. And if anything happened, don't want to do anything happen to our children.
Yeah, or us, if something happened to us, what happened? Anyway, just pay it off, and we try. Now our strategy is try to pay off everything. No mortgage is the best.
More like I come to conclusion of that. You know what? I know, like I guess when we were back then, if we were watching it now, what we've experienced.
I know. Back then, I think back then our mentality is different too. When you're young, you are risk taker.
Yeah. And
we were not watching any videos saying, save money, budgeting, or pay off your mortgage. We were not looking to those.
The other way around, it seems like, no, you just have to put small amount of deposit and leverage using other people's money.
Yeah, we were looking for get rich quick scheme, but it doesn't work.
Every time I see a lot of advert that whether it's on TV or in YouTube, in social media, I was like, I'm kind of cringe now. Every time
we laugh.
Yeah,
we
like,
laugh.
Why?
Yeah. You know what? They're selling you because they make money from the marketing, right?
Correct.
You get commission.
I'm just amazed, like how many people would they actually got hooked. We were one of them.
We did few of them.
We don't just. We did a few. So I'm like,
We're human, okay? We agree.
We made mistakes along the way.
Yes, and next one, switch to a high interest saving account.
If there is any. if you can find any.
Used to be. I remember we were in this current online saving account.
Yep.
Interest is quite high already.
Yep.
And then I found another bank,
Yep.
and that bank got even higher interest, but only for 6 months. And of course, I did it. I bought that. Yes, it is.
It's
From
worth-
1%.
yeah.
I think the current one we have is 1% plus, let's say, another 1% for bonus. And then the 6 months one, I think, is 3 or 4%. Why not? It's few $100 more.
That's
that
it.
time we got quite a bit of cash.
So if you have the capacity, like if you have the research to go search around, okay, maybe even switch it around. Like if you should have gone under my name.
Oh yeah, that is a bit too much.
We didn't do it that far.
A little bit too far. But next time, okay.
Yeah, maybe just hop around between one account to another.
My personal account, your personal account, and then joint name. And
Exactly, something like along that line to maximize it. The next one is take advantage of digital saving tools. A lot of things that you can use. One of the bank account that we use, that I use anyway, they have the roundups on every time you spend money, and automatically to the nearest dollar or nearest $5.
Yep.
The good and bad. The good thing is it does do that automatically, but sometimes it can get overdrawn.
Oh, okay. I never use it. I'm just still very old-fashioned.
Now, we don't use it as often, but I did test it. I can see the advantage of this for people that is not good at saving. If you keep on, I guess, buying,
yep,
that would be good for that, because before you know it, it probably, you can go on holiday with it. I usually do it with...
I think old-fashioned way is just saving your coins in a jar. Same thing.
Yeah.
Right? Keep the change, put it in a jar, but then now no one's using cash. One is coronavirus, and then second is just convenience.
That's it.
I don't carry much.
Tap.
Yeah, I still carry cash, because I found quite a lot of the merchant, like restaurant or retail shop, they charge you merchant fee.
Yeah, even with a debit card.
Huh? Debit card, yes, yes, because they still
the
have the credit
utilize-
function.
Correct.
Yeah, it's not because they don't care how much you have, it's the function.
It's the function, yeah.
Yeah, so I still carry cash, and then I put away my coins for my kids. They always steal from me.
The next one will be compare and switch phone plans.
You
So
do
I
it every year, right?
Every year. In the past 3 years, I haven't actually updated my phone plan. I'm still using 3 years ago.
Yeah.
And because at the current stage, there's nothing cheaper than what we're paying now. So because of that, I keep it as it is.
Do you look for other
I used to, I even look for different carrier, but I only stick with the big four of the biggest one in Australia. I don't go to the little little companies. I'm just a bit wary, just in case if anything happened.
Yeah, that's right.
But yeah, with this particular one, 4 years, every Christmas, I always go back to
your Christmas
the retail.
present.
Yeah, that's like, hey, wonder how much I can save. But so far, 3 years in a row, there's nothing better phone plan. It used to be like I can save a little bit more, whether it's saving on the monthly bill, or if not, that you get higher data or higher this, or you can go call this country, that country, whatever it is. But I think they capped that.
Oh yeah, maybe.
So
anyway, we're happy with the plan. There's so far no issue, but if you can find it, try it, because sometimes they may have special deal for new customer to join with another carrier.
That's it.
Yeah, and the last one is to avoid overseas transaction fee.
So I did this once. I actually
got charged?
Yeah, I didn't understand. When I was young, for the first time having a credit card and going back home, I'll be one of the savvy,
credit card guy.
people. Yeah, I'll be one of those guys going to this very lavish department store.
Imagine that.
And I bought something. It was a small value. I think it was I don't know, maybe $100 or something. But back then it feels so big. And I'm just trying to understand, why do people keep on swiping credit cards?
Because they don't have the cash.
Well, I didn't understand that. So and I'm the type of person like I need to go through the whole entire experience to understand
you
it.
like that.
So one, I purchased that item, whatever it was. Apparently, in my thought process, it's actually cheaper buying it overseas instead of buying it in Australia, in your home country, right? So let's say I think it was a perfume or something, and then yes, I made a saving on the purchase price. Let's say if the perfume costs $100 in Australia, it will be $90 over there.
Yeah.
And then, but you get charged on merchant fee, international fee,
Yeah,
currency
they charge
exchange, this fee, that, and then I don't even know how many charges it was, and then works out to be either the same, it's actually a bit more, I think.
Yeah.
So that's my experience.
Yeah, I think I did credit card again, but then yes, like what you said, they charge exchange rate and then like another transaction
Foreign
fee or
fee, this
something.
fee,
Yes,
that,
they
all of
actually
this
charge
fee.
a lot. So now, the moral of the story: just don't go overseas and shop. Just shop. Don't shop.
That too. And then if you do have to shop, if you're overseas, just use your cash.
if you convert it.
So
Nowadays, not. Well, now you can have a card like debit card again. So you converted the money and you put it on digital.
Yeah,
So
on that currency.
I don't think they charge you on that.
We haven't done it. We still, every time we go overseas, it's still cash.
Yes, we're very old fashioned.
We're still old school.
Yeah.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. This is, I guess, our 2 cents in how to save money
on product and services.
If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, comment.
See you next time.
Bye.